26. I'll go with him.
This goes to 34.
On your knees, bitch.
Fuck. Get the fucking thing off, I'm gonna fucking lose it.
What are you doing?
Do some fucking work, cunt.
Hey. It's not play school, mate. Yeah, I did bring down the hammer.
Where's the fucking hammer, cunt? Seriously, you fucking lose shit every fucking day. I've had a fucking enough. Get that fucking thing off, do some fucking work. Fucking losing it.
You're the one who lost. You're the one who lost the hammer, you fuckwit.
Fucking touch a fucking hammer, cunt. Fucking do something.
Hey, seriously, who lost the hammer? Because I found one yesterday.
I got a hammer. I'm good. This is my hammer.
No, it's my hammer.
It's got Christopher.
No, and that's coming with me. That.
That's not your hammer.
It is my fucking hammer.
It is. It's had no wear and tear on it. It's done fucking nothing in a year and a half.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, you fucking give me the shit.
What happened, Mr. Drifter?
Didn't sound good.
What'd you do? You fucked yourself.
You brought it.
Push! Push! Oh, fucking hell. I'm not on the phone.